Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I am slowly cleaning my kitchen, but I am still craving sleep all the time. I took 3 naps yesterday, and Kathy thought today was, or yesterday was Monday, so I told her no, yesterday was Saturday. So I just pulled these out of the cabinet. Now, they're still kind of, some of them are still kind of dusty. This is white wine vinegar, and I've made the mistake of going to the store thinking about a vinegar all the time. And I've been saving the bottles, and some of them are pretty dirty. Even though I soak these, they still get dirty and dusty. This is the champagne vinegar I had in this huge bottle down there, but I made one big mistake. I left it out and exposed to light, and the bottom of the bottle got kind of the sediment on the bottom of it, so I poured that out. But the rest of it's okay. I just got to, dry and dust these bottles off and put them back under here, and I will eventually be cleaning under there as well. Again, I cleaned them all out, but I keep these soy sauce bottles. Soy sauce stays clean indefinitely, or it's not clean, it stays fresh indefinitely. So I will clean these off with a sponge and a towel, put them under there in the dark, and I had opened a bottle a little while ago and took a sip out of it. Still very potent, and some of the vinegar has been in here for 2 years. So now I want to make vinegar, and there is a way to make vinaigrette with the champagne vinegar. So I got 6 bottles of champagne vinegar out of that 5-gallon bottle before the bottom sediment was there, and it looked kind of yucky. But I tasted the vinegar, and it's fine. So this is my mini prepping area full of vinegar, and I really like the red wine vinegar. When I go to the store, here's an empty bottle, but it's like $4 a bottle now. But I just watched a video where you can take a bottle of red wine and make your own. So that's what I'm going to try to do. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, haters of Art Bell, or haters, or copyright infringers. Donate to the channel, and I will do kitchen progress as I get the energy to do it. I'm going off to Kathy's on Monday to help her clean her apartment for her inspection. And Patty says she'll come here and straighten out help me straighten out the kitchen next month, which I really need to do. And there's a lot of dust in here. I've never lived in an apartment. Here's my cookie jar, my Halloween cookie jar, and everything in here gets full of dust. And I do not know why. Even stuff in the cabinet gets full of dust. I have a theory. We have blacktop down here in the street, and people come down here and they do high-speed runs down the street, back and forth, because it's the shortcut between the main street downtown and feeder routes, side streets. And I think it just stirs up dust everywhere, and the high winds off the bay too. So, but everything in here you can see it. It just gets, no matter how much I dust, how much I clean, there's always a layer of dust on everything in here. It drives me crazy. And I have cleaned these racks. I've taken everything off. And yes, I need to clean my crock pot. I've taken everything off and soaked it, dried it, and within 3 days, it's covered in a layer of dust again. I don't know why. Maybe the books are doing it. Who knows? All right. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.